Is it throwback? Did it happen?
I don't think it ever went out of style for douchebags. I think it's always,
Really?
yeah.
Do you think we should boggan her or not till we get in a good way down the road? Until she starts crying, I am full of lemon. Got lemon all over this joint. Oh yeah? I can't tell. Is she reclining all the way? Yes. She wants her brother.
Okay, so it's putting us there at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Your appointment's at 5, so maybe we do take a little more of a scenic route.
Okay.
Let's enjoy. Tomorrow, likely, I'm going to wake up before you. I make no promises that I will do so.
And?
I think I'm going to have to take a right down on UE one time.
Yes. Verdaderos. Is that like the truth?
Yeah. Or that they're honest people. Nope.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let me just get out of here and then I'll tell you what I want to tell you. The fucking boo, am I right? Jeez.
Is this the boo?
Yeah, it's South Boo.
South
We're
Boo.
approaching the Boo.
Yeah.
I think technically it's Topanga Beach.
For motorcycles.
Oh, Topanga has its own beach.
We can't stay here.
No, we're waiting for
See that sign there, Topanga Beach?
safe break. Yeah, in the traffic.
Yeah, there's Topanga Canyon, Topanga Park, Topanga Beach.
What are molitas?
Sandwiches. What type of sandwich? Mother puta. There's your Jeep with all the doors off, Chris.
Oh, yep. And
Maybe I'll take the doors off the Jeep for a little while. Really need to drive her more often.
yeah, take the kids. You've got both seats, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Tedder's is older now, so I'm feeling better about it.
Right, she's got a little bit of a melanin barrier.
Yeah, she's got more of a melanin barrier than her mommy.
It's everybody at this point, Chris.
Except for redheads.
I think even Sarah's got more of a tan. She's been inside with the baby all year. She just doesn't live in a basement. She has windows. Hold on your butts. Oh, Jesus.
Don't do your butt.
Don't ram me.
Ha, ha, ha.
Don't do your butt.
Are you holding onto your butt, Charles?
No, I'm not.
That's the second woman I've seen holding a dog where I think it's a baby, and then I'm like, no,
It's a dog.
it's a dog.
She probably thinks it's a baby.
Yes.
So my thoughts are in the morning, if you can help me find my wetsuit in the box map,
Yep.
I might go for a swim.
Where?
In the ocean.
No, I know which ocean.
Or just go down to Mother's Beach and just go in that harbor area, that that little inlet right where the kids practice sailing.
wetsuit is in box 8.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Hey, I'll walk something.
Ocho?
You want to watch
Yep.
something?
La caja ocho?
No, I don't think so right now, sweetie.
You can watch something on this. It's fine.
I kind of want him to just knock out.
Oh, sure. True that. Well, why don't you just try to rest for a minute, use your chupon, and try to see if you can sleep a little bit. Because we're going to be in the car for a while. And if you can sleep, it'll be super fast for you.
Why did you
18
park
million.
there? Why did you just park there?
Why did he park there? This is what 18 million gets you.
Okay. No,
18 million.
no hot tub? I don't see a hot tub.
I'm sure there's one.
Should say 4.
I'm sure, right?
Why are you stopping in the middle of the frickin' road, Broseph?
Because he's abrasive.
What is the problem?
It's like it's not even a nice house. You know?
No, they check off all the, you can't buy class on it. Can't even rent it. Like, you have to straight up have it or you don't.
Same taste. Wha- 3 million, 5 bed, 4 bath, 3,600 square feet. 15,000 a month. Hasn't been updated since
Ever.
it was built in 1930.
Might not be a bad thing. That was a good era for houses.
Yeah.
Excellent craftsmanship. Just,
The bathroom is weird.
is it like green, peach, purple?
It's yeah. It's just got a big
It's got an island. It's got a kitchen.
yeah in the bathroom.
In case you want to do some butchering while you're taking a poop. It's called the Poop and Butcher. No?
Yes.
I can't wait to have space to actually do real kitchen projects and not worry about it. Why would you hang up there?
Right next to the
Giant rest-stop pipe and your
with
kids running around. What are they thinking? That's so pretty out there. God, I'd like to be right there right now, but not right. Let's go out in that water.
With that boat.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get her a thing.
I wonder where the bottle she finished it.
Yeah. Or it's down somewhere. This is leaking everywhere.
It's fine. Just tighten it. She's just a baby. She's gonna be dirty. That's her lot in life. Gosh, her eyes look so tired.
I hasn't had a nap today. She'll be out at 5. Or at 6. We'll put her down at 6 and she'll still sleep till 10.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go swimming tomorrow. God, it would be great just to have that boat.
Just gonna go too, Charles.
Just fall off the back of the boat and take a dive, do a little dip. That's a perfect sized boat.
This one, 12 million. Right at Will Rogers Beach. Right at the corner. Get a second.
It's got curb appeal.
Yes, it does.
So it's right here.
Yes.
Is it on PCH?
It's just off. Do you wanna?
No, I don't want to get out the thing, but if I can see it from the.
You should be able to see it.
How close are we?
You put it back on the boat.
It's only 7 minutes to Eddie's. Next to Patrick's Roadhouse, just that side of Patrick's Roadhouse. South side of Patrick's Roadhouse.
Okay.
So there's Patrick's.
Yeah, you don't have to get on PCH to get over there either. To get to Eddie's. Okay, so it's right at the first hill.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Hearted.